Good morning to all. Good morning, students. Today's subject name Combustion Engineering, course code U18 PE ME61. Topic today biomass and fluid bed gasification. Dr. Ramarao, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. The basic elements of need fire are the fire triangles, combustion, ignition, heat, fuel, joined the fire combustion, coal-based combined cycle plant, routes of combustion and gasification. Hot fluid gas and the pressure drives the pressurized gasification process produce of fuel. Combustion is pressurized produce bed and combustor. Gasification opening availability, moving bed, fluid bed, enter bed, bubbling bed, etc. What is mean by combustion? The fuel is a combustible substance containing carbon at the main constant, which and proper burning gives large amount of heat that can be used economically for domestic and industrial purpose. During the process of a combustion of the fuel, the atoms of carbon, hydrogen, and the combine of the ignition with the simulation liberation of heat. The calorific value fuel depends mainly to elements carbon plus O2, CO2, 2H2O2, 2H2O. So carbon compounds have been used for many central sources of heat of and energy. The main source fuel, coal and petroleum, these are store fuel availability earth crust, generally called fossil fuel because when formed from fossilized remains the plant of animals. Okay. This the cost of continuous major parts operating the cost of fluid is better. Fluid is better boiler the gain even 0.1 percentage 0.1 percentage combustion of efficiency can save the large amount the money time of the operation cost of boiler over the lifetime. Since this expense is the much greater than source turbines impact of the combustion efficiency on the operating cost of greater than absorbed alternation performance of the boiler. Performance the boiler. Prefers the boiler. The quality was a quantity understanding the process combustion. Industry very important the rational boiler design. Boiler design. Combustion is a exthermic oxidation process occurring the relatively high temperature. Okay. Various method stage or combustions. One, heating and drying. Second, devoltization and validate and combustion. Swelling and primary fermentation from the coal only. Combustion of char with the secondary fermentation and attraction. Okay, number one, first one, heat and drying. The combustible material generally consists around 0.5 percentage by weight total solid in fluid bed chamber. Fluid bed chamber. The remaining solid known as bed material as fuel as servant some other new compostable solid. New compostable solid. And they consist 90%, 95% to 99% of the bed. As large body and comfortably hot solid engulfs fresh fuel particles known as drops into fluid bed. Composed of these particles heat cooled fuel particles. The temperature close at the bed rate of heating. Rate of heating very many 100% second more than 1000 second at degree Celsius second, depending on several factors, including fuel particle size, heat transfer, fuel particle size from bed. Next, devoltization and devoltaic combustion. Devoltization pyrolysis is the process of where wide range the gases produced or released through decomposition of the fuel. The validate matter VM comprise the number of hydrocarbons which are released steps. VM coal particles were released stage First stage released usually occurs around 500 to 600 degrees Celsius. Second release. Next 800,000 degrees Celsius. Proximal analysis provides the estimate actually, and combustion may be affected factors like rate of heating, initial and final temperature, explosion, particle size, types of fuel, pressure. Third one, swilling and primary fermentation, filling and fermentation. Another one, combustion of charge, secondary fermentation. Okay. What is the fuel? Fuel is a material that carries energy in chemical form. When the fuel is reacted through combustion, most of the energy is released in the heat. Through sometimes the fuel cell or flow batteries, it can release the electrical power. Fuels have much very high energy density. Others way carrying energy velocity convert to transportation. The energy is released with chemical reaction. Each fuel undergoes a different reaction, different rates, chemical details. Principle of classification. The fuels of principle of classification of the fuels may be broadly be classified to waste according to the physical rate which they exit natural solid liquid gases and according to the mode and processment natural and manufacturing. None of this classification gives the idea of the quality or intensity value of the fuel. Their power of developing thermal intensity, calorimeter temperature. Under the thermal condition, use combustion fuel in mixed atmosphere air stoichiometry problem. Students, audio visible? Okay. And one question is biomass or biogas and gas is a different method. Biogas means here bio anaerobic digestion. Biomass means producer gas. Gasification heat. Some example fuel: pulverized coal, natural gas, motor gas, oil, activation gas, diesel fuel, jet fuel, ethanol, methanol, hydrogen, wood. During candle wax. Again, repeats sample example: pulverized coal, natural gas, motor gas online, activation gas online, diesel fuel, jet fuel, ethanol, methanol, hydrogen, wood during the candle wax. Okay, next slide. Biomass in fluid bed gasification. Types of the biomass is a wood, crabs, landfills, alcohols, fuel. Technology, biomass technology today serves many markets that were developed with fossil fuels and modestly reduce their use. Use industrial process, heat stream, electrical power generation, transportation, fuels, ethanol and biodiesel and others product. Primary focus, biomass development, advanced technology, waste material used for the power produce. Primary focus, biomass program development, advanced technology. Okay. Current focus, platform technology, sugar platform technology, thermochemical platform technology. Biorefinery, the facility that integrates biomass conversion process and equipment to produce the fuel power and the chemicals from biomass. Analog to today, petroleum refineries, it is based on sugar platform and the thermochemical platform. Okay, show these diagrams here. Combined of heat power, main the heat power, biomass, sugar platform, fuel, chemical material, cyanide platform, thermochemical. Conditional gas rotate for the fuel chemicals and sugar platforms. The artificial application biomass provides opportunity more energy self-sufficient help reduce climate change. Biomass renewable energy source generated through natural process and as byproduct human activity. It also more evenly distribute our earth surface than fossil fuel energy source may be harnessed using more cost-effective technologies. It helps farmers, ranchers, and forest better manages biomass material, providing rural job opportunities and stimulating the new economic opportunity. Energy generation from the biomass combustion, the process biomass directly burnished presence exists ignition high temperature 80 degrees Celsius, liberating heat. Energy is combustion result transfer this 60 to 80% of heat content the organic matter to hot air steam and hot water. The steam generator can be used steam turbines to generate power. Okay. Transaction, the traditional method to produce biodiesel from the biomass is through a chemical reaction called transcription, and under this method oil is extracted from the biomass and it is processed using the transcription reaction to give biodiesel as the end product. Alcoholic fermentation, the process of conversion of biomass to biofuel involves three basic steps: converting biomass to sugar or other fermentation feedstock, fermenting the biomass derived from feedstock using microorganisms, processing the fermented product to produce a fuel grade ethanol and other fuel. Gasification technologies. Gasification is a thermochemical process for converting carbonaceous materials such as coal and biomass to a combustible or produce a gas by particle oxidation under elevated temperatures. The gasification of solid fuel involves a series of hydrogenous homogeneous reaction. For example, the reaction carbon with O2, CO2, H2O, or their mixer O2 with H2 and CO with H2O. Show the diagrams of the gasification source, complete the combustion difference method there, show the diagrams. Generally, find its components producer gas or H2O2, CH4 mixer and the carbon and hydrogen and various ratio in the produced gas necessary for much science. The synthesis, the primary CH4 formation is a great significance for the substitutable natural gas. Substitutable natural gas SNG production. This producer gas used to provide electric power and heat and the science is the synthesis liquid fuels, chemicals. The fuel enters a gasifier. The following physical and chemical and thermochemical process may be tagged plus sequentially, simultaneously depending on fuel and gasifier types operating condition. The for bed particles density fluid is bed in the density up to the form bed of the depth HOIG vessel of cross section area plot of fluid pressure delta P HA 1 minus nu P by G by A subject fluid velocity. OA is a packet bed region solid particles do not move the relative one to another. The another separation is a constant pressure losses is a fluid relationship described by the carbon equation and the Gergen equation PC fluidity reaction. At point a pressure loss rise above the wall predict the rise more market small and powders the before the test of increase a bed temperature. The associated with the extra force required to overcome the full fraction it gives a force between the distribute. Show the diagram. Fluidization. Fluidization is a fundamental when the fluid is passed upwards through a bed particles. The pressure, the loss in the fluid bed frictional resistance increase the increasing fluid flow. A point is reached when the upward force exit fluid particles equal to the upper weight particles bed. At this point, the particles lifted, the fluid separation of the particles increase and the bed composed fluid is dead. The force balance across the fluid bed indicates that the fluid pressure loss across the bed particles equal to the apparent weight of the particles per unit area of the bed. Application of the fluid bed physical the process including drying, mixing, coating, heating, and cooling. Second point, then this process attack advantages the excellent mixer capability of fluid bed. One of the most important application is to the drying of solid. Fluids bed are often used to cool particle salt following a reaction. Cooling may be fluid air alone or by use cooling water passing through tube impressed in the bed. Gas fluid is, but is also good medium to carry out a chemical reaction involving gas and solid. Gas solid conducting generally good, excellent solid circulating within the bed promotes good heat transfer between bed particles and fluidizing gas and between the bed heat transfer surface impressed in the bed. Infers the bed gives rise to near isothermal condition even when reaction are strongly exothermic or endothermic. Next point, good hot transfer rise to easy of control of reaction fluidity the bed make easier remove the solid food reactors. As it is a fluid gasification merits reduce the chair high heating value, very important. Improve the heating mass transfer from the fuel. Okay. But fluid gasification, that is most of the another important advantage fluid gasification, ash does not is a melt, which makes removal reliability simple. A compression of fluid gasifier, fixed bed gasifier. Different types types of gasifier, moving bed gasifier, fluid bed gasifier, circulating bed gasifier, transport gasifier, pressurized bed gasifier, updraft gasifier, downdraft gasifier, bubbling fluid bed gasifier. Different types of gas is very important question paper. Different types of the important question paper. Fluid bed gasification, bubbling fluid bed gasification, circulating fluid bed gasification. Okay, first one of the circulating fluid bed gasification. Circulating fluid gasification. Circulating fluid bed combustion. Circulating fluid bed combustion. CFB's technology has selectively has been applied in India. Firing has sulfur, the refinery, residues, lignite, etc. Circular fluid technology, superior the PC power plant technology, lowest NOS formulation and ability to capture SO to the limestone injection of the furnace. They show the diagrams, important point furnace, where is parts of the furnace, external heat exchanger, cyclone, and ash cooler. The circulating in the atmosphere, the air-blown gas, you are operating the circulating food gasifier, depending the fuel and the application. Depending the full application, it operate in a temperature which in the range of 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. The hot gas from the gasifier passes through a cyclone, which is separate most of solid particle associated with the gas and returns the bottom and the gasifier. And air preheater and located below the cyclone rise temperature of the gasification air and indirectly the temperature level inside the gasifier. At least 4 components the gasifier of this type been installed in different countries. The biggest among this is a 60 megawatt unit installed at a coal and natural gas fired power plant. Let the final and provide cheap supplement fuel gasification based food and referred and derivative fuels. Circulating fluid gasifier. Good combustion efficient, comfortably PC per plant, the heat efficient circulating fluid gas furnace nearly double PC with a furnace combat fuel flexibly. CFB can handle to wide range fuels such as infrared, coal, waste, rejected lignite, and another petroleum, agriculture, and lower heating. Fluid bed gasification. Next, show the diagram. Fluid bed gasification. Fluid bed gasifications. This is a method of mixing fuel, separating, promotion, opting combustion, opposition combustion. We show the diagram, the fluid bed gasification, one another coal, another one a limestone. A mixing the fluid bed air or steam air or steam is circulated in a fluid but gas, air and fuel mixed the hot bed granular the solid such a due intensity gas already mixing in the fluid bed. The different zone drying, pyrolysis, oxidation, reduction. The process pyrolysis reduction cannot destination but a temperature is uniform throughout the bed country. The fixed bed gasifier air to fuel ratio can be changed and as a result the bed temperature can be controlled easily. The product gas will, however, always contain some door which need to removed. Unlike fixed bed gasifier, which is fairly specific feedstock, fluids bed are more tolerant. Upward moving bed gasifier, however, suffer the high product gases and their instability maintain the uniform radial temperature profiles and avoid local sliding problems make the moving bed unsuitably large installations. Fluids bed, the other hand, from problems result and wind application biomass gasification. Okay, it's coal limestone. The coal is a feedstock. The feedstock is a coal and limestone and air distribute bottom side fluid with air is circulating the water re-district collector the waste material collector preheater recirculation repeat for the gas produced. The produced but gasifier several advantages of other types gasifier food based different highly throughput the fixed bed gasifier only fixed improved heat and mass transfer from the fuel high heating volume reduce the chair the air velocity further increase a bit highly turbulent rapid mixing particle occur which appear like fermentation bubbles the boiling liquid bubbles process of combustion as a result known as fluid bed combustion. The velocity of air gassing production depends on the number of parameters like size of fuel particles, density of the air fuel mixer. Hence, the parameters are given due consideration while manipulating with the airflow velocity for desired rate of combustion in a fluid bed combustion. Rapid mixing ensures uniformly temperature. The main advantages of fluid bed combustion systems that municipal waste, sewage plant, sewage biomass, agriculture waste, and other moisture fuel can use the heat generation. The fluorescent furnace has been closed space with a waste having opening admit air, coal and ash, dolomite, limestone mixed bed furnace and high velocity combustion passed but enter the furnace bottom. With a stay increased velocity of air, stage will be reached when pressure drop. Gross bed becomes equal to weight bed unity cross section bed under this particular critical velocity minimum fluid velocity. With further increased velocity of air bed will beginning to expand allow passage additional air in the form of bubbles. Bubbles when air velocity becomes 3 to 5 times critical velocity. The bed reusably that the violent boiling liquid air pictorial representation of fluid bed combustion given in the figure below. The evaporated tubes boil directly impressed in the fluid bed and the tubes beginning indirect content the burning coal particles produce very high transfer because of this unit size reduced. The unit size reduced to great extent and also put a combustion very high efficiency. Very efficiency. Nowadays, disadvantages fluid bed combustions already discussed. High thermal efficiency, easy removal, the system transfer, short reaction. Fully automatic, the sensor operation of extreme temperature, the efficient operation temperature down 150 degrees Celsius below function temperature, reduced coal crustings. System can respond rapidly, change load and demand the quickly establish thermal equilibrium between the fill properties in the bed. Bubbling fluid is bed. 3 important question paper. Describe about the fluid bed gasification. Explain the brief neat sketch the circular blood gasifier. Another question. Line diagram. They explain the bubbling fluid bed gasifier. Show the diagram. Bubbling fluid bed gasifier. This type gas where scarcity is by the bubbling wood material solid fuel flowing gas through the when the gas velocity insufficiently high, the bed material can be inert medium or cathode material as such. Yes, you should show the diagram of this bed fuels, bottom side ash, top a flash ash producer gas. These simple parts. Okay, this in case of high rank coals in bubbly in case of high rank coals which they are less reactive reactivity and have low validity matter content are the major product. Pyrolysis less efficient utilization char inside gasifier. Major concern the gasification high rank coals. High rank coals. High rank coals. The biomass feedstock such a wood is highly reactive and catalyzed, validate and content thus produce relatively small amount 25 percentage the weight original dry fuel char also the char more porous than the reactor relatively fast. For the reason fuels with high volatility matter content the yearly gas hour, the produced gas content the mag gas cleanup, more difficult, more details on tall removal or even the okay. This is a ash is a fluid prediction as very important point. The ash content the fuel does not have much directly influence the composition of the product gases, but the effect of practical operation on the gasifier. For example, in a gasifier operation, as in unavoidably must as that gas separate from the product gas sustainability disposed of depending on the design, the ash removed from the gasifier in either solid or liquid from in gas case in fixed and fluid bed gasifier, the ash is normally removed as solid requiring the peak temperature to be well below melting point of the ash. Some units like sludging gasifier deliberately operated sufficiently high temperature to remove the ash is a liquid slag fuel used in a gasifier designed to remove ash a dry solid from gases have a high ash melting softening temperature to avoid ash agglomeration inside the gasifier. This is a diagrams of moisture. The moisture content solid there is really depending on the air type ranging from below the 5 percentage and under it is about 40 percentage rank subbituminous coal and lignite. The moisture content of wood from the facility harvested tree is typically around 50 percentage. Highly moisture content of the feed lowers temperature inside the gasifier evaporation chemical reaction steam with enthomeric upper limit moisture. They show the diagram upper limit moisture. The set of satisfaction example typical fixed bed limit about 35% on the good quality coal moderate of and ash content about 25 percentage for wood. The fruit is under entire bed gasifier with their lower tolerance of moisture content normally require moisture content of the feedstock to reduce the 5 to 10%. Okay, the show these diagrams here. The fuels reactants. This is a bubbling fuel reactant. Then generally reacted cold degrees with rise rank physical properties called as such a particle size. The have a significant the effect of kinetics called gasification as the particle size become netter the CFC content the small between covalent reaction gases increase the resulting fastener reaction. The low media and the rank in the reactive in gasification process with the increase in the improve the volume and the surface area. And the surface area. Surface area reactive not efficient of with the change the precedes high rank cold separation no small the reaction deficit control the sections. Control the sections. The stop is combustion. Once more repeat discussed today biomass, biogas. What is the biogas? Anaerobic digestions, biomass a producer gas. What is the fuel? Types of fuel. What is the combustion? Different types of stage of combustion. What is the gasifier? Different types of gasifier. Down draft, outdraft, circulating but gasifier, fluid but gasifier, bubbling fluid gasifier, brief explanations, a bubbling fluid gasifier, circulating fluid gasifier, fluid but gasifier. Today discussed this topic. A very important topic is a bubbling fluid but gasifier, circulating but gasifier, another fluid but gasifier. Very important. These three questions. Different types of questions here. Define combustion, different method of the stage of the combustion, types of gasifier, define gasifier, defines fuel, define biomass, short need sketch the bubbling fluid but gasifier, brief explain the circulated but gasifier, different method of the topic the questions. Okay. Next. Comparison of bubbling and circulating fluid but gasification. Example, sometimes show the question paper bubbling and circulating but comparison with the gas. There are two types of fluid but gasification, bubbling and circulating due to back mixing of solid with the particle entertainment. The single bubbling fluid gasifier can achieve the high solid conversion. The solid but combustion with this known as excellent heat and mass transfer, residence time can be achieved the better conversion advantages of circulating fluid gasifier, bubbling fluid gasification, the listed block. First point, high gas solid slip velocity, ensure the good mixing and the excellent heat and mass transfer. Second one, circulating fluid gasifier can process the range the feed particles without the penalty the entire nine the losses. In a circulating fluid but gasifier, small particles are converted to the single pass the entire the separate from the gas, return the gasifier the external recycle loop. Large particle which convert slowly or recycle internally inside the fast the bed until the small encounter the externally recycling. Third were point one, highly temperature, highly recirculation area, solid provide circulate fluid bed with solid heating rate higher than bubbling fluid bed, which tends to reduce that tar production during the heating the fuel. Circulating fluid gas have less restriction as size, shape, fuel that bubbling entire the bed gasifier. For reason, circulating fluid bed gasifier performed biomass war product gasification. Circulating fluid bed gasification are easy scale up or reliably our wide range feedstock. Okay. Thank you, Pa. Every student, thank you.